I been counting up some new money in a Cadillac like it's a new me. Nigga, I been counting blue cheese. Feeling like I'm ratatouille. Keep a bad bitch, she nudie. Keep a full club in the Uzi. Yeah, my life is a movie. Like goddamn, ooh wee. Goddamn, ooh wee. Yeah, my life is a movie.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Cheesy boogie. So look, man, I got it parked up. Come on, that's the SS thing, bro. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Pushing Z01 power. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so right now, as you can see, I got the little fishing hook or wire shit, heat gun, alcohol, water gun, tape towel. Supposed to be tinting my tail lights. I'm gonna record that too, even though I kind of started late. Because what I'm doing right now, as you should know, because I got the heat gun and because I got that, so you should know I'm debagging this. So I'm taking this off. As you can see, I already got it loose. I've been working with it. I got the tape so I can keep my memory, so I can basically know where to put the badge at again. Boom. Show y'all what this look like once you get this off. So basically some 3M, man. Already cleaned the area. So basically some I said some 3M. Basically this is 3M. See, look at that. Basically that's what that is. So basically what you do, man, just heat it up. Use that little wire hook or whatever bullshit and get it straight off, man. And see, look what I can do with this badge. What I can do with this one, if I want to do this, I can customize this one. So you can take you see the little chrome part right here, and you can take and peel all this 3M shit off or whatever, and then you can take these two apart and you can customize the inside of these. So I can either paint or wrap these. So I'll try to wrap this with some pin stripe or whatever. That's how I would have it looking, but I'm gonna try to go through and paint it myself or something like that, or wrap it and then wrap this outer part. You know what I'm saying? So basically, if I get tired of, I need to show y'all the new badge that but boom, put that right there, you feel me? And I'm gonna just take this one, customize it and sauce it up. So if I get tired of this, I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna just add some 3M on the back, you know what I'm saying, and do what it do. So boom, got that off. Now the cleaning process, that's the, I gotta put this in here. Oh, that's done, you know what I'm saying? Cadillac badge off, you dig? Cadillac badge off. Tinted this tail light right here, man. Get the side view of it. Come on with the rims. Alright, so look, got this done. You know what I'm saying? Pretty smooth. Didn't take the tail light out though, but maybe next time I will. But pretty smooth all around there and the edges. So right now, I am doing this one. You know what I'm saying? And I'm probably let y'all see the process. Alright. Got y'all sitting on this zebra, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Almost got it. I just gotta get this fixed that, and then we're gonna get the cutting, man.
We'll pick it, that shit go hard.
Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love, hey, Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love money. All the pretty bitches, yeah they love that money. All the pretty bitches, yeah they love that money. Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love money, Hersh love money. All the pretty bitches, yeah they love that money. All the pretty bitches, yeah they love that money. Yeah, ooh.
What in the Zoogies workouts is these? What in the Zoogies workouts? Hey, she's working there. Brought up in the building. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, do me a favor, Chris, apple sauce. Hey, hey. Do me a favor.
Hey, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Leave Me a Vac in the flesh, and you already know what it is. You just touch my ass, bitch. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
What do we have? What do we have under the motor here?
Hi, 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 hi.
What was he saying?
Oh, he was young. Sound like the damn pigeon off of
Madagascar. I.
No, it ain't. It's Finding Nemo.
No, nigga, it's all Madagascar.
Finding Nemo.
I thought it was
Pigeons off of Finding Nemo.
Thank you. Shake the hand.
I thought Madagascar. I.
Get him out of here.
Put him in the squad car.
I thought Madagascar had it too.
No, they have flamingos.
Oh my God. What is you doing? Doofus.
He said he got a mental disease. That's fucked up.
You gotta get the upgraded headers, man. The long
Man,
two
you gotta
headers.
get the upgraded motor, man.
Bro, we gotta hit, I swear, we gotta hit cold air and take downpipe in the tune, so we gonna blow. No transmission.
I ain't got, yeah, I don't got nothing in there.
Guess what?
Let's see what's under here.
Yeah, let me see what's under this motherfucker.
Man, chill, man. You about to mess with the suspension, bozo.
Talking about, that's what I'm talking about. A big old shield.
That's a turtle shell. Because it's a turtle. It's a turtle. Look at all those turtles.
I seen that nigga too.
Did you for real?
Yeah.
You lied.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah,
Let's see what's under the hood of his.
Oh man, it's nothing. Oh, you can close mine too. You can close mine too.
That'd be
Appreciate
fire if you asking, can he turn the lights on? He could turn that into a video.
Bro, you know my shit is like not the best. You got an iPhone 12, 11. You the one need to take the picture. You need to get a picture right here. This can be a thumbnail. You waiting for you to turn it up so you can
Nigga said he had a mental disease.
Said,
I.
That nigga said, I
That's messed up.
whatever.
Oh, that nigga with a. Hold on.
That ain't motherfucker going.
Yo, you got the camera right in
Do
there.
it now. Do I care? No.
If y'all seen what we
conscious.
I gotta get some of that on no cap.
if y'all seen what we just seen, that nigga said, doink, 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 doink.
I gotta post that. That shit too funny. Look at goofy.
Get that. That's content. Look.
Bro, what the hell is you doing? Why you keep saying that? It's content while I'm recording. That shit cringy as a dog.
Is it for real?
Yes.
I think, hold on, the YouTube guys is calling me.
Oh, shit, what they say? I don't give a damn.
Hey, they just said they put a check in our account. They said that you could go ahead and go get the CTSV.
Yeah, no.
He's dropping it.
I don't know what that means. I can't understand.
He got rabies. Come here, young blood.
Huh? No, stand right here and tell me which one you like out of all four of them.
I had 10,000 tonight.
Huh?
I run all of them.
Huh?
I can outrun all of them.
I'll run all of them.
Stop.
Hey, this the one that's slow. The black one.
Hey, no, be honest. Out of all of them, which one was good, but I don't shake hands, brother. I just scratched my balls. Hey, hey, out of look, stand right here.
What's up, bro?
What's He about 8 foot tall, ain't he?
He ain't that tall. Shit, we about the same height,
Hey.
kinda.
Walking around town with your booty
Hey,
on stage.
hey.
Hey,
Oh, okay. You know that dance. The whoa.
Hey, but honestly
The
though,
old man can't do those things.
hey, honestly though,
I'm gonna say one thing.
Yeah. I love you too, man.
I mean, if I had $10, I'd tell her what to do.
which one you think the fastest? No, which one you think the slowest, brother?
The fastest one or the slowest one?
Give me both.
Give me the first
You
one.
can never take them a dream.
Yeah.
I would have all of them.
But which one you think the
I said,
slowest?
which one you think the slowest?
Out of these four, look, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I had that black one.
For the slowest,
That's some Mr. Lee here.
little Lee. Hey, that's some bitch Lee.
Hey, no, which one you think the slowest though?
That one right there.
Which one? This one right here?
The slowest.
Yeah.
Let me point at my shit. Look, it's one. I'm talking about him. Look, it's 1, 2,
Man, be
3,
honest, bro.
4.
It ain't gonna hurt you. I might give you something after you leave.
It's all of them. A sewing machine, and I don't work for nobody but. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just a sewing machine,
Oh,
and I don't,
work for no.
I'm about to give him
Hey,
something.
hey,
baby.
come on now. But what? You gotta tell me which
Tell me
one.
which one you think the
Look though.
slowest one is.
OG.
The slowest.
Huh?
Tell me which one you think the slowest one is.
Ain't nothing make it.
What you? Okay, this the fastest you said, right?
English.
So between
I
this
tell you
one,
what.
this one and the
Put
last
them
one.
all up right now. I'll show you what this means.
No, I know that gonna leave here.
Ain't nothing wrong with you and me. Ain't he? Nothing wrong.
But look, which one you think the
Nothing
slowest out of all of them?
No man.
Okay. You hear me?
Cannot run. They can't touch you.
But he got his lights on. Oh, there you go, bro.
We need to arrest.
Yeah, need to arrest him. What's your license plate number?
Shorty Pimp. Shorty.
What's up?
I tell you the truth. All the truth.
He said, "Shorty, cause you know you're a leprechaun."
Everything wrong.
Yeah, tell him something.
Now look here.
That's right.
When you drop the gear,
It'll roll.
mama done.
Hold on.
Okay?
Hey,
So which one do you think does not go fast at all?
do it look like this one,
This song right here.
or do it look like this one? I hope so. Shit. They ain't gonna leave here no more until I get that code there and taking it down, piping the team, cause I ain't gonna turn my shit up.
Now, if you need something that's really wrong, if it's sewing machine, it's a sewing machine.
Sewing machine. I think I can get that from Home Depot.
That's the only cash I had. If I had something.
Sewing machine will go.
You be out here? I
I
asked
don't know how it's gonna go.
No, I had.
Man, that kid. Look at that kid, bro. That shit's nice.
You come here,
You said what?
That kid. New one?
That's a Lincoln, bro.
Yeah, my bad.
I told you that.
That's a kid.
That's a Lincoln.
I don't know if it's a Lincoln or a Kia.
Bro, that's a Lincoln.
I just
Or a Kia.
saw the commercial.
Hey,
Look up
they said
2020
red
Lincolns.
and
Okay.
which one you think the slowest? Go ahead.
Crack them up. You can see in the engine,
Sometimes you can't really hit. Sometimes the cars that be fast. Hey, look, OG, I'm about to school you.
OG, which one?
OG,
man. Teach you now.
OG, I'm about to school you. I'm about to school you right
No.
now.
Tell me which one you think the slowest one is.
OG,
Put that down in your pocket.
I'm gonna tell you. Look, the loudest cars ain't always the fastest.
That's true
I
though.
already know.
All right then. So
Now
you
tell
said
me
you
which
got
one you
this.
think. Tell me
Huh?
which one
Your
you
name
think
Joe?
the
You already
I
know.
said
Okay.
crank them up.
Crank them up. I ain't gonna crank it up because we just got
We
the.
just got done
What
racing.
kind of engine you got up on the hood?
I got a
I think it's 2 turtles and a turbo.
You have.
Turbo.
So, only way you gonna look at it, you gotta lock them up,
But tell me which one you
stretch
think.
them out.
You
Yeah.
think that one the slowest right there, the white one?
I know which one you put. I don't know what you got up on your hood.
Hey, can you give me one favor?
But you said that was the
Can you turn
fastest,
your hat to the
but
side?
you just know because of how it looks.
said, can you turn the hat to the side?
You just know how it look. You just so you
Turn
picked
that
that one the
side,
fastest because of how it look, right?
Turn it to.
This here.
You know what that is? You know what that is?
Lay my down. I lay it down.
You lay it down. He cool though, man. He just chilling.
What's that girl?
Swear. Oh shit, Mustang
Hang right there.
5.0, right? Hey, we got a little 5.0 coming up.
Where?
5.0. Might as well, bro. Go crazy. Full bottle on that bitch.
That right there. Do that or just.
Okay. That motherfucker moving. Okay. Let me hear something, man. Let me hear something. Hey! Do it.
Dude, what's that? That's an Eco Boost. What is it? That's an Eco Boost.
No, it ain't no damn Eco. That's a V8.
The GT on the back.
It don't got to. He D-badged it.
He badge.
That's D-badge, brother.
It has a.
Man.
I was gonna say, cause I saw the horse on the back. I just saw the horse by itself.
Yeah, right here yelling. Keep saying it's D-badge.
That could either be like.
Uh-oh.
It might be a GT350 though.
All right?
Yeah.
Now, nigga, when you get out there,
Huh?
get on the back side.
When you get where?
Stretch him out.
Stretch him out.
Don't hit it too hard. Let him know. Let him
Let him know.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about now.
Okay?
Go ahead, let me see it for a flat.
You can't do that in front of the A.
Let me see it for a flat right now.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. For a flat.
Hey, don't do it, man. Don't listen to these boys.
Hey, Beezy, brother.
Hey, man, it was nice talking to you, though, man. Goofing around with you, got a good laugh.
Beezy, we got a good
I
laugh.
know, I know now.
Turn the hand to the side all the
OG
way.
now. I know you been
Turn the hand to the
sipping.
side all the
Back
way.
in my time.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
You got the fastest car here, man, right now.
Hey, turn the
Between us.
to the side, man.
What you got there in the hood?
No, nothing special.
You got nothing special.
It ain't a box car like a Z01.
Okay, now he's ripping up. All right, now. You know.
What the hell is you doing?
We were on a 392 on.